Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you some ideas I had for a My Little Pony birthday. I went and got some pool noodles after, like the summer sale. So I had a whole bunch of them, and I thought it would be a perfect idea to use these to make a rainbow for a photo prop. So what I did is I just got the different color pool noodles and I just kind of glued them together and stuck them together. And I got this foam board and I just poked holes in it and just stuck the balloons in there. It was super easy to do. And then I just got this little rainbow number 5 from Walmart. And I just put it on there too. And if you wanted, you could even put like pictures of the ponies on here. Or, whatever you want to do. But I just did this. I was thinking about maybe putting Rainbow Dash on here. But I decided against it. But I was kind of running out of time, but yeah, you could put like all the little ponies like on here, like going up the rainbow, put Rainbow Dash flying, do stuff like that. This was actually really easy to make. It kind of maybe looks like it wouldn't be, but it was. And this is the backboard that I made. I just printed out these pictures of the ponies, and the stickers are kind of trying to peel off, but I might have to tape them down. But I just printed out the pictures of the ponies and did her name and just made like a thing in the middle for her. And this is all construction paper back here. I just used that because I thought it would be the easiest thing to use as just a kind of like a base. So I just did that. And then I just got the stickers and stuck them around to kind of fill in the spots. And I actually, after I get done using these for the birthday party, I actually use them for backboards for my kids' beds. So it gets a little bit more use out of it than this. And even though like this kind of does have a party theme going on to it, she likes that. So she'd be okay with, having this year round. But this was super simple. I basically just glued all of this down. It's like it wasn't anything too hard. I just printed these little ponies out, cut them out, and then glued them down. It's pretty cheap too. And speaking of all the pool noodles I got, this is the reason why I got so many. But I decided just to make little ponies out of these pool noodles. So I just folded them and then taped them, took duct tape and taped around it to kind of keep it in place. And I just put googly eyes on here, and then these are little foam pieces that I just cut and just glued them on. And then this is wrapping ribbon that I just cut and just put it on too. And I honestly, I glued and I taped that down because I know kids like pull on it and stuff. So I thought, give it a little bit of like extra security. This was easy to make, and I think the kids are going to love this. And then I decided to not make a whole bunch of stuff this year because I'm just having like a really small party because of, the pandemic that's going on. So I didn't want to have a huge birthday party, so it's just going to be a small one. So I didn't make a ton of stuff. So that's why I actually went and bought pinatas this year. I usually make the thing that has the candy and stuff in it, but I just went ahead and bought it this year because I was just like, I was just over it. So I got this from Party City, and I actually was surprised that this was, I'm going to say only, but this was only $20. Because I thought that this was going to be more expensive than that because I was looking at pinatas online on Amazon and they were outrageously priced. So I went there and found this and I was actually really happy about it. But I thought it was a pretty good sized pinata. This is just the fun thing that they're going to do. These balloons, and I just tied them to this Rainbow Dash. I thought she would be a perfect centerpiece to use the ponies as like the balloon weights and as a centerpiece, and actually like getting something else or making something that just the plain ponies will. And she has tons of these ponies. I just grabbed this is just the one I grabbed because Rainbow Dash is her favorite. So this is why she got picked. She had tons to, choose from. So you can just put it on different, tie the balloons on the different ponies and set them around. I love that idea. But you can tell that she's not new. She's been played with a lot, but yeah, I love this idea. Just simple. This is so simple. And then here's a couple more centerpieces that I made, and I got these little boxes from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuffed them with tissue paper and then used little skewers and wrapped them in crafting tape and got these foam stars and just stuck pony stickers on there. This was really easy to do. And on the bottom, I put a little piece of the styrofoam that you use to like stick artificial plants in and stuff to kind of make them stay more, because if I just stuck them down in the tissue paper, they'd be flopping all over the place. So make sure if you're going to make something like this to actually get one of those to kind of stick the stuff down in. These were super simple, easy, cheap, everything. I had this little candy dish and I put duct tape around it, and then she got a toy, so I thought, it would be great if I cut out pictures of the ponies and stuff like that to use from like the toys that she got or whatever. So that's what I did here. And then this one actually said Cutie Mark Magic, which is what this is. I got a bunch of My Little Pony tattoos, and I'm just going to let them just pick out what one they want to use as a cutie mark, I thought that was a great idea. To just use the tattoos as cutie marks, because it kind of goes more on, more to the theme. Okay, and here's some other stuff I just got from Party City. I just picked up this. She likes this because it's all glittery. And then that one. And I think that it has Rarity on the back. It has Fluttershy on the front and Rarity on the back. And then I just got this because she loves stuff like that. So these are just some things I just picked up from Party City. And for the little gift baskets, I just got these little play packs. And I was so happy that I actually got these at a closing sale for my local J.C. Penney's, and I ended up only having to pay like 20 cents each for these. So I was happy about that. But I just got these little grab bags, and then here's little like painting pictures. And they came in a big roll, and I just kind of cut them out to individual sizes. And then my local Dollar General was having a sale on their party favors, so I ended up getting a pack of these glasses. And then I just got like a little slinky, and this is another thing that was on sale, was a pack of these unicorns, and then a little party blower, and then a little ring. So I ended up getting all this stuff for super cheap. Put that back. And I didn't put any candy in it because candy's in the pinata, but I just put a few little things in there. And I'm glad that I got this little like play pack thing, because then I didn't have to put very much else in there. But I just wanted to show you some quick ideas for a My Little Pony party. Like I said, I didn't do a whole lot, so I didn't have very much to show. So this one's going to be a little quicker. But I hope that some of these ideas helped you, and you can basically apply these ideas to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be necessarily My Little Pony. I mean, you can use this idea for like a Western party that some kid might want to have, like cowboys or whatever. There's tons of stuff that you can apply to what you're doing just by using these ideas. But I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching the video. Bye!